This is Grants Bridge in Brookhaven, Mississippi. It goes across the Canadian National Railway line that runs through the middle of this small town in southern Mississippi in Lincoln County. The reason it's called Grants Bridge is because Grant stood right up that hill, right at the foot of that side of the bridge, and troops asked him during the burning of much of this part of Mississippi if he wanted them to burn this bridge, which is largely wood, to which he replied, and as he was mounted on a steed, he replied, "No, don't burn this bridge because we may need to use it." So this bridge has been here since before the Civil War, and now, according to a local article in our newspaper, the Daily Leader, Canadian National Railroad wants us to tear this bridge down because they believe that it poses a hazard to freight trains, Canadian National freight trains passing underneath, and also Amtrak trains passing underneath. Some of us concerned citizens would like to see the bridge preserved because of its heritage, instead of being torn down and just done away with like so much refuse. Grants Bridge, Brookhaven, Mississippi. Today is May the 19th, 2015. My name is Kendall Johnson. Thank you.